call me Pounds, here I'm known as 9-7. 8 customs create, plus I rhyme great.
YouTube, welcome back to another 978 Customs video, and right now we're looking at Spyder 2.0, version 2.0. This is the second one I've done in the last couple months or weeks at that. Recently I just picked up a Reptile and Sub-Zero Storm collectible, and I was looking for Scorpion and Noob Saibot just to complete the set. They're really great figures, and someone made me an offer to trade for Noob Saibot and Scorpion for a custom Spyder. I was mad because I just got rid of the Spyder like a week before he made the, he told me about it. So I had to remake another Spyder from scratch, and it was fun. So I did this a little different. This one has black symbiote tendrils coming out of his fingertips, and the other one had the teleporting blue. I don't know what exactly to call it, so pardon me, but it was just blue hands, and this one has black tips on the hands. So, and the eyes are just slightly different, but there aren't too much differences. I mean, I'm sure the symbiote tendrils on his chest are also different because this is free-handed. I didn't follow anything. I just went along with what I thought looked great, and I think it came out pretty great, honestly. I like this one. I don't know which one I like the most because they're both the same to me. It's just the hands are different and the eye shape just slightly different. So I don't know what else to say. If you don't know much about this guy, this is Peter Parker from a different Earth. I forgot which one. You can watch this video here. Click that card to find out a little more about him on the other review. But it's just basically a Carnage Spider-Man if Peter Parker was sadistic as Cletus Cassidy was. If you want to make yourself a Spyder custom, all you need is a Spyder UK body and head, sculpt some new eyes, get some eel hands or electro hands, and voila. Paint the rest and you got it. So that's the recipe. Pretty simple. Red sucks for me. I noticed that red takes layer after layer after layer of applying, kind of like white. In fact, I think red may be tougher than white. But anyway, let's pull this guy up front just a snibble, and like I said, one of these days I'm gonna get hit with a copyright claim from Honest Pranks for plagiarizing his stuff. But I love it, man. Oh, what the hell, big boy? It's funny, man. It's just the funniest thing. But I don't know what else to say about this. If you guys seen the other Spyder, then you've seen this. I just want to show it off because it's new. Yes, the red does pop. Really, it's really bright, and it looks really good. I'll say that. For as simple of a design that it is, the red is really bright, so that is nice. Well, let's get into the articulation part. Like your average Marvel Legend, nothing fancy, nothing too particular. Head goes left, head goes right. It does go up and down. You can swivel kind of a bit. It's a little loose in there, but it's not so loose. You can get this arm to go all the way up at the shoulder once you modify the Spyder UK arms, because that sucks. They did fix it though with the Prowler body, but I'll get into that afterwards. Actually, I'm going to save you all the trouble. You guys know how this works. Let's move on. I got a couple more reviews to do. Sorry, man. Don't judge me. For Marvel Legends to be as affordable as they are, I'm happy with the way the figures move. You can actually balance a few of them on one foot, mostly all of them on one foot. You can get some cool dynamic poses. So I'm really pleased with a lot of the Spider-Man Legends, and that's what kind of got me into the line, especially the butterfly joints. But I think after having these Mortal Kombat figures, Jesus, it's hard to go back and enjoy these figures as much because the range on the Mortal Kombat figures have so much movement on it. It's incredible the poses you can get out of it. If you want to take a look real quick, I'll show you a picture of the two that I traded for. These are the two bad boys that I got in the mail yesterday, and boy was I excited. Man, I know I'm new to the action figure world, but there weren't too many figures I'd put up above the Marvel Legends Spyder figures, but these top those figures ASAP, like no question. Quick mod, you can do that real quick. Black suit Spider-Man on the Fantastic Four body. Everyone's doing it. But if you want me to review these guys, let me know. I'll be happy to. Should I do them all in one video or separate? You guys let me know what's best. But still, you do get some cool posability out of Marvel Legends. And so I won't complain, especially at $20 for a figure, even less at times. A lot A lot of times you can find figures for less than $20 if you're a hunter, or no better than to pay the scalper. Shame on you if you pay that scalper. But you can also get, which is a plus for these guys, is you can get some peg stands, because they do have peg holes, so that can help you out a little bit on the balancing if you want to get some balances that you probably couldn't get without a stand. And I got this one I had from a comic shop a while back. It fits perfect, just a little tighter than usual, but the tighter the better. You don't want a loose peg. It won't hold. This is probably the most unorganized video I've done in a very long time, but I honestly see it as not so important because I've already made this. But if you like this video and you want to see more Spider-Man custom videos and reviews and those Mortal Kombat reviews, feel free to like, comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. I have been listening and reading what you guys have been writing down. A lot of that is on the to-do list, so we are going to get to it. Remember, I'm just one man. It's hard to make a custom every day. I have a lot of things on my plate, and so I might even take a break in a few weeks, but that's another story. Maybe not. I said that last time and then came back like a day later, so forget about what I'm saying. Feel free to subscribe, y'all. I do appreciate the love, and I will see you in the next review. Thank you.